budgeting for January 31st. I know I'm late, it's the 5th of February, but I did pay my bills, so I'm just going to walk you through the process of what I did. All right, so I did, this is my first time of the month trying to do the closeout. So I was following the directions because I've never done that before. So again, I've showed you guys how I set everything up here. I didn't write any goals this month. I mentioned in my planning video that I am paired up, or I'm collaborating with Paramount, or paired up, she hired me or whatever. So I'm gonna be promoting her stickers, and I usually don't include stickers on my budgeting book because that's not what it's for me, but I am going to promote her stickers for this. All right, so I'm going to show you my January 31st paycheck. So again, I already did everything. I got my pay here. I got $44.20. I budgeted for $42.36. I do get paid more, but I just don't want to include my whole one so I don't spend more. I paid my car insurance. I budgeted $175, but it was actually $170.40 for my Capital One. I paid $160 for my EB Academics, which is a program that I use for schooling for my classes. Let me zoom in a little bit more so you guys can see. $19, the Gardner $250. Apple Pay, I paid off $120.81. I budgeted $115. I budgeted $300 for the Gardner, but it was $250 because I kept getting behind. I budgeted $100 for Best Buy, but I only paid $50. Amazon $100, I paid $100. And then Old Navy, I budgeted $50, but I sent extra. And then my Frontier $55.02, which left me a total of $1,025.23, which is a little bit over what I budgeted, and my leftover, because I did get paid more, my leftover was $3,394.83. And then down here it was $3,394. I used this as a cushion for my mortgage to carry it over. I budgeted $250 for groceries, $20 for my husband, $50 for fun, so it was $2,350 for my envelopes, and I was left over with $1,483, and that was a little bit because I had budgeted $100, but I lowered it to $50, so it's $846.79 that I had budgeted, but this is what ended up happening. And then over here, I carried it over, and all I did do all this: 333.33, 41. 66, 83, 33, 27, 88, and I just transfer all this every month. I transfer this into my savings account, into my other checking account, automatically, $486.20. So that left me with a balance. So over here it would have left me, because I had budgeted less, $360.59, but I got $558.63 left over. I sent $250 to my sister, $100 to my aunt, and I sent an extra $10 payment to my Capital One, so it left me with $350. $208.63 is what I had, and this is all going to be my cushion. I hope you guys saw that. And then so budgeting, here is what I would, I pulled out $250, $100 for fun, but it was just $50 that I budgeted. So I took out just one, and then a $20 for my husband. So that would have left me with $6, and it was $300. So $320 instead of $370. And I'm sticking to my plan. I only have a few more months to financial freedom, and I'm so excited. And what I ended up doing, let me show you. I need a budget ahead. Like, my husband's like, hey, I need this. I'm like, nope, he's like, oh, I get paid on Monday. How about I do this? I'm like, nope, everything's already planned for. So what I do, so I ended up doing this, all this, my highlights and everything. Let me show you what I was doing. And I totally messed it up. So, and then I spilled on my planner. So I started this, and I think I did it right. Like, this is what my starting balance was, what I had for incoming, and my total. So utilities was $9,000, credit cards $923, and then I stopped here because I was like $740 for eating out. Like, this needs to stop. So I kind of like gave up. I was like, no, I don't even want to see anymore. I did start, see, I think I lost a page because I had done all my stuff, but I don't know where that page went. Maybe it's before. Yes, here we go. So I had all my budget right here, all my bills. And this page, like this is how much I have in my checking. That's what I have left over. What I have in my savings, my cash envelope, my car payment, what I have left, $14,000, $5,000 in a 401k that I have, and then my home is worth $850. My balance on my Kia is $10,000, and my home is $539. So I did that, and I don't know if I did this right. So I want to get this right before I start doing. I don't know what my net worth was last month, so I want to finalize this so I can compare it for next week. So I really, really want to, you know, I can't compare last month because I'm starting and, you know, changing percentage. But I think that this is basically it. And so my total net worth is what, 325,000 if I did this correctly. And I'm not sure if I'm supposed to include my credit cards here, but I will. It would look better in February, I think, if I finalize this. I'm gonna watch the videos, but look at how crusty my thing is. That is very sad, but it's just one page. It didn't go through too much. I was able to salvage it. But so what I wanted to show you is that I've already planned out like the rest of the year. So everything's already laid out, like everything for the next, you know, my next 3 paychecks there for February. March is the same thing. I didn't do, so there's my March and what I plan on doing. Like my money is all accounted for the rest of the year. Like everything is accounted for. I've done everything for every pay period. And that kind of keeps me in check. And you guys will see every single month. And you know, and what I'm gonna do right there. I do write notes for myself. You know, like I've dated it, but I haven't. So, you know, and I can see a difference already just in what I've been paying off and the bills compared to last year. But yeah, and so like, I've who I'm paying off when. I kind of write down what what I need. But yeah, so this just, I don't know how you guys do it, but this for me works. I know some Kumiko does it like a little ahead of time, but I do it for the year because I really need to see where my money is going and what I need to, if I need to make any changes. And then like in July, I don't get paid, and I think that's why I do it, because I don't get paid. I miss a pay period, the last one. So this would be my savings instead of my summer savings instead of a paycheck. And then obviously I'll get paid again in August. Again, this is like all contingent on me having a job. But yeah, so I do everything for the year just to keep myself in check. And you guys will, and I didn't date this, but every single month is already laid out. And I think my son is going to go back to St. Louis or to the Catholic school. So I may need to add it, and it'll just depend on what, if he goes back. But again, everything is already, all my monies are accounted for, and what I make notes like, okay, I need to do this, I need to pay this. But, my Christmas will be funded, everything like this last pay period, this last Christmas, everything was funded. I didn't have to put it on credit cards, although I did put my son's computer on the Best Buy because I got a discount with it. But yes, so everything, I don't know if you guys are comfortable doing that. I just do it because, I just need to see where my money's going. And this is 12, 31, 21. Yeah, and so, it's nice to see where everything's going, and obviously it'll be different. Instead of putting, what I'm putting in right now is $333 in my summer savings, but after July, because I'm starting over, it will be less because I don't need as much for the following year. So I've been putting 33, and then by then, because I'm doing it within 6 months instead of the year, next year, in July or August, I'll start at the 12-month period instead of a 6-month period like I did this time. I just kind of messed up this time around, but it's okay because I have the money. So this is it. Again, let me go back to January. And I do my expense tracker, and I do it daily. So I didn't show that this time, but yeah, this is, see, I do everything. And what I need to do, and I think that's where I'm having a hard time right here, is I need to organize my bills better. Like, what's gonna go, my categories, I guess, is what I'm trying to say. So yeah, so this is it. This is the month of January 31st. I will have another video for budgeting next week, because we get paid. My husband gets paid on the 10th, so he'll get it. Direct deposit will be on Monday, so I'll probably put up the video on Tuesday or Wednesday. All right, well, thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy. And then hopefully by next week I will have, or anyway, next month, for the month of March, I will have the Pearmint to show the stickers. All right. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. And if you guys haven't subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. Against my 200 subscribers, I do a giveaway every 100. And I'm not sure what I will do, but I know the Leverage Planner will be coming up soon. So hers come out in June, I think. But yeah, either that or, maybe some other, maybe stickers, giveaway gift card for Pearmint, for her sticker shop. And I do have codes for you to purchase, a discount code, and I'll drop that in the box as well. All right, thank you, and have a nice weekend. Enjoy Super Bowl. All right, bye.